Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locking basic balance and position. This is not warm-up fluff. Plant your feet shoulder width, soften knees, and keep weight centered so you can shift quickly. Once ready, step in with a decisive lead foot entry toward your partner's center line, turning your hips to create space for the takedown. Make sure your grip controls torso rotation. If you have sleeve or belt contact, use it to guide their balance. Move with intent and minimal telegraphing to prevent counterweight. Once the entry is secure, focus on off-balancing. You want the partner's weight to shift over the targeted leg. Use a two-step rhythm, a quick feint to elicit reaction, then a stronger pull to collapse their base. This makes the takedown efficient. Insert your lead leg at about a 45-degree angle, keeping the knee near their thigh to block recovery. Simultaneously clamp the far arm and collar so they cannot posture back up. Coordinated timing between legs and grips is critical for a clean execution. You finish by driving your hips into the gap you created and rotating the partner off their base. Commit to a 90 degrees to 180 degrees turn depending on the technique, and follow with controlled pressure so they land where you want. Make sure to maintain two constant grips during the descent to preserve control and prevent scramble. If the takedown stalls, troubleshoot by resetting Kyuzushi, circling slightly offline, and changing level quickly. Small adjustments in angle and timing fix most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.